All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Ebraheem Alrawi, and I would like to showcase my research project called Sakhr. It is a I'm not sure how uh, I'm not sure how to zoom in using Visual Studio.
It's good.
Yeah. Okay.
No.
So Sakhr is a app that helps students with uh, generating the notes, quizzes, and reminders, so that they can uh, understand the material even more, while also learning more about whatever material you have, and also not to keep track on whatever assignments or homeworks that you have right now. This research project was inspired because one day I went into uni. I sat down and the teacher came in, like just writing every single note and then erasing it, like. And at this point, I was like just rushing in just to like write everything in verbatim. And during the end of the class, I just had like notes that I could not understand and couldn't revise from. Then suddenly my friend came in. I was like, "Did you plan for? Did you revise for the test today?" Huh? Wait, what test? And so this is where I got the inspiration from Sakhr. So the main things out here are the notes generation, quiz and reminders, like so. If I could find it right here. Yep. Okay. So this first goes to the transcribe audio function. Uh, from here we got, so it will check if the file is a valid format or not. So that's MP4, M4A, something like, yeah, around, like there are 4 file types around here. Uh, and then from here it will initialize the model, the Whisper model, as well as the Llama 3.2. From here it will help us with transcribing the lectures that have been the recording of the lecture, as well as giving that transcription to Llama 3.2 so that it can give us the most important info from the lecture. And as you can see, oh wait, hold on, where is it? Come on. Yeah, so over here we give it this node, we give it this message over here. Tell it that it's a helpful assistant to summarize the transcribed lectures into concise notes, and it will use Markdown so that it can be more formatted and make it more understandable. And from this quiz generation, uh, where is it? Where is it? Okay, so from here, we have the quiz generation. It also uses Llama 3.2, and we'll give it a specific format to write the question down, and with the question types as well. And also we have the reminder generation. Also uses a Llama 3.2 model, as well as giving it a format. Now, how do we show this though to an app right here? Okay, so we use we use the, oh wait, hold on, nope. So we use an ngrok. So we use an ngrok bridge, like an API gateway for. So we're using ngrok so that we can bridge the Flask API, which is what we're using as a backend, to the Flutter app, which is what I'm gonna show you right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the app right the phone right now. Yep. Come on. Yep. So that is the app right over here. Now, if we go ahead to, I've actually demoed this right now, but I'll give you like a demonstration of how it takes the notes. What should I get? What's a mini topic that I can talk about, like in a minute or so? Okay. Okay. Okay.
So now we all know this is not scripted.
Okay. DeepSeek is a chain of thought an open source chain of thought model that was built in China, and wait, what? Black one?
Quantitative firm, they're not an AI company.
Ah, a coordinated firm. Yeah, it's also open source as well, and
No, not truly open.
it's kind of open
Source
source.
with limitations.
Yes.
It is as open source as any other model that claims to be open
It's not
source.
open source.
Yeah, but
The DeepSeek model has created a disruption as it has used previous generation graphics cards so that it can train its own AI, which is much cheaper to do which is much cheaper and better because other AI companies use a ton of money to train their AIs, and the DeepSeek model just
That's okay.
okay. That's enough. Okay. Now, once I press the stop button, it will save the lecture recording, and when I press generate notes, it will come up shortly. Right now, it's connecting to the Flask API, and it's gonna start initializing the LLM, as well as generating the transcriptions and the recording. So soon enough, it will come out right now. Come on.
if you keep doing that, it will go slower.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I pressed the generate notes button. Hold on. Huh.
Smash. Oh, right. Smash them with the reports.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah, it's working here. Your phone or phone.
Oh, it should be working. Yeah. Wait. Okay, it's a little bit laggy right here, but I did do a transcript right now. So that's about the buzz corner that just recently happened. So what it would,
Wow.
yeah, yeah, just that's the transcription right here.
Well, it did get that I'm from India. Okay, so that's good.
Okay, so now this is the transcription over here, and this is the notes that's been described on the corner, on the bus corner.
But
So all, yeah.
it says that the speaker has experience with financing now.
Who, me? What?
Yeah.
That's what I don't understand because I didn't
Oh.
from your, I didn't get that from your.
See, I didn't want to say I'm an important person. Just like,
Yeah.
you know, I don't know people. You know, like finance ministry, for example. Oh, this is interesting. That's cool. Nice. The fact that this is all running locally for you, right?
Yes, and now we go ahead and generate a so we can also generate quiz from here. So if I press the quiz generate quiz button,
Everyone share the pics on the group. I want people to know that this is happening here. Let people know what they've missed. This is good. This is good stuff. Today's demos are nice. I like today's demos. Yes. Okay. So you're still using OpenAI, right?
I'm using Llama 3.2 as well.
What are you using for transcription?
I'm using Whisper for the transcription, as
That's
it's
all
like
local, right?
yeah, all local, all local. Yeah,
Is it running?
yeah.
What's the spec of the machine?
All right.
The CPU will take a while.
Yeah, because I did not put it on charger, so it doesn't.
You can show, go to the activity let's show them what's happening on the activity monitor.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
pretty cool. We did the Enrico had done that on the first demo. I remember. Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Oh, by the way, I found out that LM Studio supports
Wait.
NPUs.
Oh, nice.
Wow.
Okay, you get an upgrade talk for next time.
Yeah.
So if you just go to just disappear.
So yeah, it's invoking the LLM over here. The problem is it's not like the reason why it's starting to go slow is because my laptop only uses the power, like uses its full power when it's on charge. So that is why. But yeah, it should be fine right now. It also has the ability to generate the reminders as well. Wait, where is it? There we go. Ah, wait, hold on. I need to. Ah, yeah, I have to open it again. Sorry, guys.
I want to see the whole.
Okay.
So I'm curious, what's stopping you from posting this online?
I do have it on GitHub right now.
No, I mean not the code. I'm saying the app and the service itself, so that you can then do the demo without your.
I'm kind of lazy, to be honest.
I was thinking you're gonna say it's hard to do it on the cloud.
Okay. It also has the ability to generate reminders as well. Right over here, it says a follow-up meeting as well after that buzz corner. And yeah, there's also some extra features that I wanted to show you as well. There's a schedule. There's a schedule so that you can find out that so that you can know when classes are going to start and when it's going to end. And also the center of it all is the home page right here. So we'll tell you the lecture notes and what's going to happen, as well as the important stuff that's going to be in here. And yeah, this is all the. It's a bit janky right now, but it kind of shows like the idea of how an app that can address the students' problems how it could be, yeah, how like this is how we could address the problems that students face right now. And the code is now open on GitHub. So if you want, you can test it. You can update the models, try to find the best, change the design of the app, as well as some other features that may be suitable for this app. But yeah, and also if you want to contribute, you can do so as well. I have a contributing file markdown over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Questions, if any, and just a comment from my side. I think this is one of the best well-designed apps I've seen in the last 5 years. Not saying everybody else apps were not that great. Streamlit is nice, but I know we're all lazy using Streamlit. It's actually put some work in the UX, so extra appreciation, especially if you put it in the feedback. I think it will be nice. Questions? Just before that, since I just asked, I'm just more curious about your choice of the tech stack over here, right? So you use Python. You're saying that you're using the LLMs directly.
Yes.
What made you choose that apart from every person out there saying just use Python? Like, was there anything more specific?
I felt like this is like why I choose Python, right? Why I chose Python. It's because it's like a lot easier to work with large language models and backend for me. Like with the experience, like with other programming languages in mind, I thought like I've had more experience with Python, and so like putting the large language, like working with large language models and backend frameworks, this is the one that suited with me the most. Yeah.
Questions?
Yes. No. Wait, what? Rock, paper, scissors.
All right. So my question is, like, when you're recording the audio
Yeah.
in a class, how does the system know that if it is related to the topic, like how is it classified to say important topics? These are the due dates that is coming up. These are the test dates, and these are the event dates and something, how is it classifying and noting them down?
Well, the LLM is prompt tuned to like generate the reminders as well. That's how it recognizes if it's a due date and stuff like that. Like it can detect whether it's like whether this is a reminder or not, and how long would the scheduled reminder would be at, like when's the due date and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it.
Is there any limit to how much you can
This is, I think, since it's Llama 3.2, there could be, but it's not much. There's not much like issue that I have because I've tried this with a 1 hour Stanford lecture, and I think it did just fine. So it had some important like notes in there as well. So yeah, I think it should be fine.
So I just, sorry. Any other questions? No, sure, sure.
So regarding reminders, so I hope you're not using LLM for reminders, or are you using LLM for reminders?
Yes, I am actually.
And is it generating reminders only based on the audio that you're passing?
It's also based on the notes and transcriptions. So
So what if teacher comes and she or he speaks anything, right? And there is nothing, no information about any of the reminder, any other due date, right? Now, how do you generate reminders in those cases?
wait, so like after you finish the recording, it would like after you finish recording, she would tell you the like the reminders as well. Like that's what.
So she just like give a big like just any notes, right?
Yeah.
There is nothing about no information about any date, nothing.
Yeah.
So in that case, how will the reminder thing work?
If there's no reminders mentioned, it won't generate reminders. Yeah.
Can you just show how that's done? So you have the system instruction over here.
Ah, yes.
Extracting all these reminders. Can you show a sample output of what actually is coming out of this when you run it? Is there a log or something just to have a look? I'm curious about the.
Yes. If
Did you see that? Did you show that?
Or it might hallucinate it.
there's a
Because I was
test.html.
curious on the format that's coming out once he runs this. And then
Okay, I'll open a live server. There's gonna be a test over here. Where's the
Also, good point. Always write test cases to test these things. Very important.
open with live server? There it is.
Not just we want to believe here. I have the LLM tested. Why not? So that's the unit.
How you do to stop the LLM from hallucinating? In summary, what it's trying to ask is how you stop the LLM from hallucinating, because it can hallucinate dates.
Yeah, we just put do not hallucinate.
Like
I just would do not hallucinate, and it works though. That's the thing. It just works. Okay, the live server should be open. Yep.
What's the meaning behind Sakhr?
Sorry. Oh yeah, Sakhr. It's a. I don't know if you've heard about it, but there's like a Kuwaiti computer company called Sakhr. Yeah. And that's where I got the inspiration from, as well as the like UI inspiration, because it's more like a computer-based thing. I thought of making like a small mascot, like a computer head guy with like friendly character. It's like, hello, my name is Sakhr. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so this is the reminders over here. Let's say we've got a.
I mean, the idea is that you would deploy it on somewhere on the cloud.
Do
It's been done.
solve questions. Look.
Do it totally on the device. I'm yet to see a demo from someone who can do all of this on a device. You can use one of the quantized models on an iPhone or an Android.
Okay, so we have the right over here. It will generate reminders. Yeah. Okay. So right here, it says math homework, but it's like it's like not there, but it does show what it will come up, like what it will come up over here. It says that it's a reminder, complete the exercises 1 to 10, and then the time is like 3 days, and yeah, that's how it should be right here.
Okay, that makes sense. Nice.
Thank you.
It's good to see that there's been some tests also in intermediate to make sure that things are working fine. That's also a great way to show to folks that when you write code and build code, there's a lot of intermediate steps that you need to do. Nothing just works from the get-go. So thank you for showing that. Also coming from university, again, amazing for lack of other people that I've seen. Any other questions? Going.
So,
Yes.
just this is more of a proposal for another thing that you could maybe think of implementing, which is how do you solve what is called the cocktail party problem. So you're in a class.
Yeah.
The cocktail party problem is the problem where there are people talking, and you want to distinguish the different voices.
Ah.
So like a cocktail party. But in this case, it would be like you can have the teacher talking, but then you can have other people, and that thing can impact because maybe it is summarizing someone else who is talking about something else that you don't care about.
Ah. Hmm.
But yeah, that's just.
I think it's like because it's like designed for like quiet classes and stuff. Because it's more of a university thing. I think it's like it's not designed in a way to handle like the crazy cocktail. What's it called? Crazy cocktail party problem. Yeah.
Or fish market, as we want to call it.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't think it could handle the cocktail party problem. But I think it's a good idea. Yeah. Oh, Whisper can do it.
Especially if there's one person who speaks all the
Ah.
You probably can do that. It can, yes, it can. So you can have a look deeper into the documentation because I use a service called TurboScript for transcribing audio and video in bulk.
Yeah.
What the dude has done is he's using Amazon EC2 instances, not even any of Bedrock stuff, unfortunately. But he has taken Whisper and he's tweaked it over the last 3 years. He's doing a pretty good job, and he does this. So he does a speaker detection. He's also doing that in some sort of the other. And also the multiple languages. So I usually use it for transcribing Arabic speech. And then afterwards get that and then translate that again into English. So yeah, useful stuff. So it's funny because see, Whisper came in a long time ago, right? There's a lot of power in Whisper from the get-go, and it's been there for quite some time. It's just that everybody else is trying to reinvent the wheel when you can just leverage Whisper and get it over with. So it'll be good on you, like what Enrico was saying, just have a look, dive deeper into Whisper and see what else you can, nudge out of it. I think there's a lot of power just remaining. You can do it on your laptop. Sweet, okay. So we'll end it with this. I think 15-20 minutes is done. Thank you for the demo. Again, thank you everyone. And we'll quickly switch back since we don't have a fourth speaker.